Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Argo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Argo is a boating navigation app designed to help boaters plan safe and efficient trips on the water. The app provides GPS chart plotting, real-time routing, tide and weather updates, marina information, and automatic hazard alerts. It also includes social features like route sharing, trip logging, and community reviews, making it easier for boaters to learn from each other and discover new destinations. Offline charts are available for areas without signal, which adds extra reliability. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many boaters appreciate its simple interface, accurate routing, and helpful real-time tide and hazard updates. The ability to log and share trips with friends or the boating community is widely praised, and offline map access is seen as a valuable feature for longer trips. Users also like that Argo includes marina details, fuel stops, and anchorage information in one place. Still, the app has some drawbacks. While the core features are free, certain advanced options require a subscription, which may not appeal to all users. GPS accuracy can occasionally lag in poor signal areas, and some marinas or waterways may have limited data coverage compared to more established marine navigation apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Argo app may be worth using if you're a boater seeking an easy-to-use, community-driven navigation tool with offline charts and real-time updates. It shines in convenience, trip sharing, and marina guidance. However, if you need highly detailed professional-grade charts or want full access without paying for premium, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.